Hey everybody, I want to give you a potential. And again, we're always optimistic. We're not trying to be negative here, but I'm going to give you a reality that happened in the past, in the 70s, actually it was 73, 74, 75, and things look like they're lining up there. Everybody's talking about inflation. What I want to talk about is, can there be inflation leading to a market crash or collapse? Can you imagine your stocks, your IRA, the value of your house all of a sudden crash like in 2008 and your cost of living increases? Well, this is exactly what did happen in 2008. We didn't have the inflation, but the value of stocks imploded, your house values imploded, and it was rather scary. If I look at where we are right now, and not just me, let's forget me. I'm not important here, and this is strictly educational. Warren Buffett has an indicator where he looks at the GDP versus the stock market. We're at an extreme of an extreme. Margin debt is in an extreme of an extreme. There's extreme enthusiasm in the market. You had all this nonsense with GameStop and again AMC and all these just absolute craziness, very similar to like a tulip bubble. So the question is, what's really happening here? If we look, because what I do is I trade stocks, I trade commodities. I can tell you, and again, you can look at charts, cotton, corn, soybean oil, crude oil, they're trending upwards, dramatically trending upwards. And that is showing inflation. And I'm just saying, be aware that this is a potentiality. And the question is, how do you protect yourself? One of the things that I'm trying to teach people is when you're investing, trade with a plan with stocks. I'm not telling you go buy commodities because the reality, commodities is very, very, very difficult. And past performance is not indicative of future performance. But if you look back at history, look at Japan. Japan just hit a new high at 30,000, but it's nothing because in 1989, the Japanese stock market was 39,000. How many years have people been in pain? This is what trading with a plan is, and this is what I look to do and teach you. I hope you like these videos. Please like them, please share them, please ask me questions. I'm here to help you. But again, have a plan because the way things are looking, the way I see them, it's not that unthinkable that we can have an inflation-led market crash. We've had deflation, and the Austrian School of Economics is debt deflation causes inflation. It happened in 1989 and 1998 in the Asian contagion. There's a lot of cheap money here, and that leads to inflation at some point.